This is Stephen, and this question is testing your knowledge of how to manipulate a square or finding the area of squares. So we've got this square here with the values or larger square of x inches on both sides. And then our smaller square, or basically this chunk, it's still a square, has the values of y on both portions. So looking at column A and column B, you might be a little confused. It says area of the shaded region versus x squared minus xy minus y squared inches squared. But basically that's referring to area of another or an area of a different kind of square. So the area of the shaded region refers to all of this, everything inside of that. So let's start with figuring out what the area of the large square is. Now, the area of a square is s squared, or sides squared. So in this case, it's x squared. Then if we take a look at and then we have to take out this missing chunk, or this smaller square of y squared. And remember that word missing that I used. Missing is the same thing as saying subtraction. So then we can say x squared, which is the larger square, minus y squared. So x squared minus y squared is the value of the area of this shaded region. Now comes the part where we need to evaluate what's going on between these two quantities. So the thing with geometry is that shapes are always going to be a positive value. So that means that this x and this x and this y and this y are all positive values. So we are subtracting a larger value, which could be maybe 1, and this value, which could be 0.5, to reach a particular area. Notice here that this x squared is here and this minus y squared is here. But there's an important thing to note right here. Column B has another positive value being subtracted from the original x squared. This thing right here. So because of that fact, we are reducing the value of x minus y squared even more. So that means that column A is the larger value.